Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumar, your maths lecturer. We have started with the topic mathematical logic. Today we will continue with the same topic, that is construction of truth table. In the last lecture we have discussed some rules to construct truth tables. The rules were for truth table and the rule is what? True and true is true for and. For or, false or false is false, otherwise true. For implication, true false is false, otherwise true. And for by implication, if both the values are same, then truth value is what? True, otherwise false. And negation of true is false and that of false is true. So these are the rules to construct truth table. So the first rule is what? For conjunction, that is for and true is true, otherwise the remaining all options are what? False. For or, false is false. For implication, true false is false. And for by implication, if both the values are same, then truth value is what? True. So using these rules we will construct the truth table. Say let us take the first example, negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of P and negation of Q. So already we have discussed that number of how many statements. Here we have two statements. So number of column 2 raised to 2. Total 4 entries were there. If suppose we have 3 statements, 2 raised to 3, then total entries will be 8. So here we have only 2 statements, P and Q. So we will have only 4 entries. So let us take the 2 statements, P and Q. So the entries are, common entries are true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. These are the common entries for 2 statements. Now we have to find negation of P and negation of Q, and then we have to connect negation of P and negation of Q with what? Conjunction and. So first we will find negation of P and then we will find negation of Q. How to find negation of P? Negation means what? Negation of true is false and negation of false is what? True. So find negation of P. So here we have the statement P. So find out its negation. So for true, the negation of true is what? False. Again, negation of true is false. False. The negation of false is true. Negation of false is what? True. Next what? We have to find the negation of Q. So here we have the column Q. So find out its negation. So negation of true is what? False. And that of true, false is what? True. False and true. This is the negation of Q. Now we have to connect these negation P and negation Q with the connective word and. So let us connect these connective negation P and negation Q statements with connective and negation P and negation Q. So what is the rule for and? So we know that the rule for and, that is for conjunction. The rule is what? For true and true is true. If both the values are true, then resultant statement is also true. Otherwise, in all possibilities, the statement is what? False. So check. See the statement. See the entries of negation P and negation Q. So here we have negation P and negation Q. Check the entries if both the entries are true. So in the last entries both the entries are true. So for and the rule is what? True is true. Otherwise the remaining entries are what? False. So this is the truth value or truth table for negation P and negation Q. It carries 2 to 3 marks in board exams. So let us take one more example. If we have suppose 3 statements. Suppose we have 3 statements, P and Q or R. P and Q or R. So here we have 3 statements, that is P, Q and R. So the total entries will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So let us construct the truth table for P and Q or R. So for 3 statements we will have total 8 entries, P, Q, R. So the common entries are in the first column. You have to write 4 times true, 4 times false. In second column, divide 4 by 2, so you will get 2 times true, 2 times false, again 2 times true, 2 times false. And the last column, divide 2 by 2, so you will get 1. So alternate true, false you have to write. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. These are the patterns to write 3 statements. already we have discussed in the last lectures. Now we have to find these are the common entries for three statements, that is P, Q and R. So first we have to find P and Q. P and Q. So we have P and Q. So let us find P and Q. The same rule for N. True and true are true. So check where true and true we have. In first entry true and true. So true is true. Here we don't have true. So all entry will be what? False. False and false. Now we have to find P and Q or R. So let us connect P and Q or R. So connect P and Q with the statement what? R, and here the connective is what? Or. So we have rule for or is what? If both the statements are false, then only the resultant statement will be false, otherwise true. So check where we have two false entries, in P and Q or R in column. So if here we don't have two false, here we have two false. So this is a false. Here again we have two false. The last entry is also two false. So for or that is for disjunction, the rule is what? False or false is false, otherwise true. So remaining entry will be true. So this is the truth table for P and Q or R. Similarly, the next topic is what? After construction of truth table. Using truth table, you have to examine whether the statement is tautology, contradiction or contingency. Using truth table, we have to identify, we have to check whether the given statement is tautology, contradiction or contingency. So how to check whether the statement is tautology, contradiction or contingency? So you have to construct the truth table. If the last entry is if the last column of truth table is what? All true. Here if we have all true value, if we have here all true, all entries are true, then the statement is what? Tautology. If the all entries in the last column in the statement pattern, the last entries are what? False, then the statement is known as what? Contradiction. If there is combination of true and false, that is mixing of true and false, then the statement is known as what? Contingency. So here we have true and false, both the entries are there. So this statement is what? Contingency. So using truth table, you have to examine whether the statement is tautology, contradiction or contingency. So first you have to construct the truth table, then check if the last entries are true, then the statement is tautology. If the last entries are false, then the statement is contradiction. If you have the combination of true and false, then the statement is what? Contingency. So with this we have completed the topic construction of truth table. Thank you.